Ah, car park straight on, look. So you could actually put your bike there and get a photo with that, can you? Ah, there's a man in a high vis. Yeah, I'm going to wind him up. Oh, sure, right, sure, wind him up. Morning.
Welcome to Castle.
I've got two cretins chatting away in my ear roll. Where do we? Oh, that's better. Anywhere?
Park anywhere. Preferably up here. Probably would be easiest.
I was going to say, is there anywhere that's sort of fairly firm?
It's all.
Is it?
Yeah, the grass isn't soft. You're okay.
Okie doke.
But if you wanted to, on the gravel at this side, if you want to, but have a check. I think the grass will be fine.
Okie dokie.
And then when you're ready, follow that green fence.
Yeah.
And the ticket office is over there on the left.
Okay, lovely. When we leave, any objections to the chap at the back needs to get a photo of a bike in front of a castle for a challenge.
No, that's fine.
I mean, I was wondering whether he could park it just somewhere, if he can wheel it somewhere. Lovely, thank you very much. Right. This is going to be fun, I think, gents. Where are you going? Wow, we've arrived safe and well at Farleigh Castle. Let's that'll be a good backdrop, Steve.
Yeah.
And here we have a couple of ruins, a couple of relics from the past.
I'm visiting Farleigh Castle, nice, 29. It's the best day of my life so far.
My life's complete.
I have ticked every...
Farleigh Castle is a medieval castle ruins in Somerset, which were built in two phases. The first was completed in 1383 by Sir Thomas Hungerford. The castle was then extended by his son in the 15th century. Now, to be honest, on the drive through the grounds towards the car park, you actually get to see the majority of the ruins. If you're flush with the cash and don't mind parting with 12 of your English pounds, you can go into the chapel and the crypt to see some lead coffins, some with death masks. Being tight, we decided to get Steve's photo and then beat a hasty retreat.
Hello. Hello again. Welcome to Jazz Night. Honda. Well, it's what jazzes.
It's actually nice to see a car park without one of them little feckers in it.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, that is muggy, isn't it? That temperature gauge is saying hazard lights, Steve. He's not content with leaving one indicator on, he's gone for the full Monty now.
he's left us all here, alone on our own.
I think I'll delete it later on because I think I am a hazard. Well, fans come on.
Hi fans, as Cliff would say.
My only fan.
Right.
Go on, our leader.
Where are you going to do the photo? Inside or
I've done
outside?
it.
Oh, you don't want to get one here as well then?
Nah. Too much faffage. Hang on.
Let's calm it down by moving along.
I'll put my route up on now so I don't want to disturb it. Now what?
Oh no, that's alright. It was just sorting its life out.
Yeah, I'm back on again now. I have got
Yeah.
waypoint 32, the next one, 1.6 miles.
Right, ready?
Oh,
Yeah.
do you want to come past, shall we?
No, you carry on, mate. It's alright. I'll tell you about your indicator.
Okay. All clear. Oh,
Oh, lovely. Oh, tight little thin bridge here. Cars coming.
okay.
Start recording. Yeah, it's not bothering. I'll do it in a minute. I'll do it in a while.
Have you not connected to your road, Charlie?
Yeah. Well, maybe it's connected. I will press them in a moment.
Right turn
Please,
at the
Tom.
junction.
Turn him right, Howie.
Turn in right. Yeah. Yes, oh dear.
Die, you bastard.
So I'm trying to do it quietly, it's not working, is it?
Yeah, it's still saying it's 25 degrees today. I'll tell you what, it really does feel close and muggy though, doesn't it?
It does,
Right, isn't it?
yeah, it's worse now than it was this morning.
Ah, there you are.
Fix up your chuff.
Howie,
Up, we're being
indicator.
good boys.
Indicator, Howie.
Yeah, I know. It's not self-cancelling, is it? It's
Oh, there's a pub there.
Oh, what do you eat?
Do you want to spin it?
Yeah. Gonna spin round, Howie.
I wonder if we can go left and
We're going
left
for the
again.
Polaris, are we?
Oh yeah, it looks like
We're
it
going
goes
Down
right.
the-
Looks
I'll
like
shoot
it
down
goes
the road
round.
and find somewhere nicer.
Well, it looks like it spins round here. Or maybe not.
I'll be back morning.
I just gone south. He's gone west.
I'm back in Dorset, I think.
Anything's like a bloody round. Are you turning now? Catch up here, lads. Where are it?
Where's Howie gone?
Oh, he went all the way down the road.
Where's he gone to turn
Oh.
round? Fucking Chichester?
I said, yeah. It's parking on the end by the beer garden.
Ah, they have a beer garden.
Yes, it's right next to a jazz.
Oh yeah, in blue.
In blue. I should have parked on the end and let you park next to him and then we could have got a photo.
That's a rather nice colour.
It is.
Right, I'm going into the bar.
Yeah. Oos.
I'm back in the room.
Howie can come
Hello,
in.
Howie.
Howie can come in the middle then. The Poplars. Looks a nice little gaff, doesn't it? Yeah.
Is there room up there?
Yeah, right in the middle of it. We left you space. Indicator.
Oh no, I got. I know, I just turned into the place. Christ, what's the matter? Give me a break.
Here comes BMW assist.
BMW insist, did you say?
Incest.
That put me off about a flip front.
What?
What?
If you have it fixed, it moves. You know, your mic moves, doesn't it? If you have a boom mic, then that moves, doesn't it? You've got to keep
Oh yeah, but
remembering.
Yeah.
I don't mind that, having to reposition the mic, because it gets me to put it right near me gob again.
Yeah.
But yours,
I just like an easy.
definitely better where that is now. You're definitely picking up a lot less wind noise.
Yeah. I just can't wear my chin mount now.
No.
But I've got a new chin mount coming. I've got the remote on its way.
I shall move out your way, Steve, let you out.
Thank you, my love.
Never mind that. Move out that gent's way. He wants to get in his jazz.
That's a jazz.
Cheers.
Jazz club. We're going to jazz club because we like jazz. Jazz people are happy people. They drive you fucking mad.
I can see Nigel's new theme tune coming on there, Howie.
And all that jazz.
I'll come up with something. If you're into jazz.
Steve, you lead. I can get you two on camera then for a bit. You got the map, haven't you?
It's working at the moment. Oh, that's nice.
If you're in Weymouth and you've got nothing better to do, join the jazz club. Join the jazz club.
Oh, clear.
Oh, clear.
Top. Oh, that's nice.
I think I might be on the internet this afternoon.
Why?
Oh,
Let's check it.
I might have a beer this afternoon
Oh, that's goes without saying.
and then do a bit of editing.
Black stripes matter. Black stripes matter.
Hey, Cardo, radio off.
Yeah, Cardo need to sort that out big time, don't they?
Cardo, radio off. Fucking thing. Hey, Cardo, radio off. Hello. Phone mod, you fuck.
Yeah.
What I'll do is I'll just stick on the 361 and get off at Glastonbury Street and that way.
Okie dokie.
Want to go back and see the hippies again, don't you? Okay, all clear. Still clear.
Oh,
Clear,
hey.
clear.
Indicator, Steve.
I was over a bit too far now, we thought I was coming off. Hey, Cardo, radio off. Hey, Cardo, radio off. Okay, this fucking thing.
Do you actually use the voice controls much?
Yeah, I use the voice control.
No.
It usually works. I'm gonna disarm it.
I very rarely use it, so I was wondering.
See, I use it to ring my missus on the
It's
jazz.
just the white noise in the radio. I can't hear a word you two are saying.
When you're listening to the radio.
Yeah.
Not by choice. Maiden Bradley.
I'm going up to shoot and smell it.
Are ya?
Yeah.
All right. Well, take it steady.
I'll see you both.
Yeah.
You take care.
Cheers for coming out. Ta-da, mate.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
probably catch him again in a minute. He's going down parallel, isn't he?